Hi guys, today I'll be rating my daughter's fidgets. So which one should I do first?
Do all the poppets.
Let's start with the poppets. This thing is a keychain.
Yeah.
Duh. It's not very useful. It only has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's cute though.
Yeah.
It's a little bubble tea.
Yeah. What do you rate it?
I rate it a 5. Is it so? 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Put it over
1,
here.
2, 3, 4. I'm done. This one is a little better.
Yeah.
It has a really cute tail, and the eye is a bop it. Pop it. Pop it.
Bop it.
Bop it. And has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I know how to count.
Yes.
I rated a 7.
Okay.
This is your normal
Pop it.
pop it.
Poop it. Poop it. It's poop it.
And, you know,
It's my favorite because it pops the best. On both
it's
sides.
loud.
Yeah. What do you think about it?
Well, this is the first one we got,
Yeah.
and it's the one that we use the most. We play with this one.
Yeah.
So I'll give it an 8.
But you always lose the poppet game.
I what?
Stop.
I what?
Stop.
I what?
You always lose the poppet game.
This is very, very cute.
Yeah, I love it. It's the most recent. We got it yesterday. Clean.
Brand new. I don't know how to play with it because it doesn't have different colors like this one or this one. But it's very, very cute. I give it a 9.
Yeah.
This one, it's a
It's not a poppet. It's a dimple spinner.
dimple.
So, rate only the poppets and that poppet bracelet. Don't rate the dimple spinner yet.
Alright. This one is very cute. Unicorn. Brand new.
Yeah.
It's loud. On both sides, see?
Not really. This side is just quieter. Okay, what do you rate it?
7.
Going
This is
lower.
one of my favorites.
Ew. Ew, are you actually licking it?
No!
Good. Air.
It's very silent. Parents like that. Silent.
What?
Like this.
You don't know how to use a snapper.
I don't.
Well, hold on. Flip it over to the other side.
Oh,
Now listen to this. It's loud on one side.
cute. Very cute.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
This is a watch that doesn't tell time.
It kind of pops hard on your skin because, like, it's impossible to pop it on your skin, and they don't stay.
I
That
never
well.
used this before. And it's pretty large for if you're a kid and you want to wear it.
Mm-hmm.
If it's the last hole, that's the one I'm going to use. That's the tightest one. Come on. This is for a really big adult. So I'll give it a 2.
2?
But even though it's very cute, but I think they have to adjust this for a child or a young adult.
We saw this in 2 different stores, like in Dwayne Reed and
Walgreens, which is
Yeah.
essentially the same store.
yeah, because they're owned by
This?
Walgreens. Stop breaking my pop tube.
This noise can be very annoying to parents.
Dada loves it.
Nicholas. Bracelet.
Wait, if you combine both of mine. Who's the other
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
Combine them.
Nicholas.
Yes, queen.
Double bracelet. So this one's a 10, you know.
Okay.
I wish I invented this, then I would be rich.
Just the straw can do the same thing.
Next, putties.
Yes,
Pull
queen.
putties out if I can open it.
Yeah, I hate opening those. They're so annoying. Ugh.
This is like an old, quick jar. You needed like a spoon to open it. It was like,
What's that?
it's not from your time, darling.
Stop.
It's like 1980s. Ew, look at this mess.
Stop! It glows in the dark. Can you
But
go?
it's very, very cute.
Can you go turn off the light and then close the
Ugh.
door? No,
It
wait.
doesn't smell like
What
anything,
is
but
that?
it's like weirdy.
Oh.
Weirdy.
Ew.
Weirdy. This
Smells
might be
like-
the problem because it's like sticking
Yeah.
to the lid.
Can you close? Can you turn off the light?
It's not. It's bright here. I have to. It's too
Okay.
bright. It's very shiny.
Yeah.
Very cute.
Yeah. It has little green glitters in it, and it's called. Yes. Get your fat fingers out of the way. Let me see the putty. Beautiful.
Oh, you made a little fart. Had a little bubble in there. You made a little fart. So cute. I love it. I don't know if you guys heard a little fart. Okay.
Don't you fart.
Yeah, this is an 8.
Okay.
This is old.
Yeah, it was my
Not-
first fidget spinner.
Not in style anymore.
Shop.
Maybe the little bunny is in style.
Yeah, it's cute. I put that on.
But an oldie but a goodie. You got 3 of them.
No, I got
you
4
have
of
3.
them.
You got 3 of them.
I have 4 of them.
4 now. Yeah, I'm gonna use it on my fingers. Yes.
No. Seriously, I have 4 of them. Look, this,
Oh.
this one. What are you talking? This one's glow in the dark as well.
Cute.
Trying to hold this with one hand.
So whoever invented this was, smart person,
And they're rich.
and they're rich. They're full of Robux,
No.
star coins.
Stop. No one here plays Star Stable, okay?
Very nice. 10. 10. 9.5. 10 because it glows in the dark.
Okay, rate the dimple spinner.
A dimple. You dimple and then you spin it.
Oh my god.
Dimple spinner. So if you don't want to say the word dimple spinner to your friend, just go. You have one?
They won't get it.
It's a 9 because
Pop the
maybe an
bubbles.
8 because they're copying this dude.
No. No, they're not. Pop the bubbles are way better.
I'm trying.
Stop. Same thing as a pop it though.
Same thing as a popper. Same thing as a spinner.
Spin
Spinner.
Spin on it.
This is just too silly to.
It's a marble mesh.
And this is so cheap too.
Stop. It was
Like-
$2
Like
for
my
2.
grandma can make that. So I give it a 2 for intelligence,
Seriously?
and I give myself a 0 for buying it.
Stop. I like it. I brought it outside and it was nice.
It's cool. It's a little shiny. You see the marble.
Yes.
But I'm gonna invent one. Okay.
No. I have a black one and a purple one, but I'm getting like 5 more.
So I give it a 2.
Okay, great.
This my daughter made it.
It's
So
a
cute.
DIY tangle.
DIY tangle. So I give it a 10, of course.
Okay. And then the other one.
10.
Okay.
Smells her name. It's so cute. Oh my god.
Stop.
I guess I give it a 0.
Stop.
For the noise value.
Stop.
Parents, don't buy this.
Stop. Stop. Yes, buy a snapper. Gimme.
Gimme.
Look. Look at how cool this is, kids.
Cool for the kids.
Buy a snapper, please. I am getting a pineapple one, so that'll be a video. Oh, I see your eyes.
I'm gonna pay for this pineapple.
It's like $11 for like a bunch of fidgets, so you're buying that because it's cool.
Yes, queen out of my pocket. This is the cutest thing ever.
It's a pea popper. Okay.
Papa. And he comes out like this. Aww.
Stop!
Peekaboo.
Stop!
I see you.
Stop.
So cute, so cute. I want to buy more. I want a pink one. I want a yellow one.
Okay, then let's
This
go.
is a 10.
Let's go to Dorian Reed.
It has
Let's go.
tag that says SR021.
Wow.
I want to eat it. So
Ew.
cute. So cute. 10. My daughter made it. Yes.
Filled the balloon with beads and tied it.
Yes. A 10 because this is like invention. Want to buy it? $2.99.
No. I can make more though, seriously. Then we can make a website.
$2.99. Ugh. It's like vomit.
Yeah, the color like is so bad. It used to be bright and cheery, but now it's not.
Putty scents.
Smell it. It's supposed to smell like banana, but it smells like sweet banana.
When you first got this, it smelled delicious, I have to say.
Yeah.
And since you have this for a long time, and it's still very good
Yeah.
texture and everything,
Mm-hmm.
even though it's a little dark and a little smelly,
No, it smells good.
I give it a 10 because it lasts a long time. Most of these things you buy and next week it. So,
Yeah, that's slime. Slime sucks. That's all my fidgets.
So that's all we have for today.
We're getting more fidgets in like 2 days, but then the package has to come.
Yes. Take care. Bye.
Bye.